Yo, 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 everybody, it's Simeon here with Aim High Pressure Wash. You know what? I want to show you guys something I was just dealing with, and let me show you how I fixed it. It was my tanks were dirty. I was cleaning, and I was just having to change, clean the filters out, stop, clean the filters out, work, stop, clean the filters out. I was just going back and forth, and it was all because the tanks actually were dirty. I could only, get so much done before the filters got, clogged up and everything. But nevertheless, we got it clean. Let me show you guys how I did it. Yo, everybody, it's Simeon here with Aim High Pressure Wash. Look at the inside of this tank. You guys ever have this problem? Do you? Hey, every once in a while, you gotta clean your tanks out. I let this go a little bit too long, but you know what? I'm going right down, so I'm going to. So what I'm doing, I have a, you guys know I have that 125-gallon tank, and this is one of the reasons why all my tanks are independent. So I'm pulling from that 125-gallon tank, which has clean water in it. This tank that you're looking at is actually draining. So I'm cleaning with clean water. And I'm able to do that because I have, like I said, all my tanks are independent. So this is the before. We'll check back shortly. All right, this is tank number 2, my other 925-gallon water tank. It's dirty. The other one is clean. You know, let me get your video of that. What do you think, guys? Pretty clean now. Got a little bit of stuff in here, but I'm still draining it out, so I'm actually filling up, as you can see. I'm filling up the tank. I'm not filling it up, I'm putting some water in there. But I have the valve open, so all that little stuff, that really is about nothing. It'll go out. So they're going to give me probably about 15, 20 minutes. But anyway, I'll show you the second take 30 seconds. All right, here we go. That valve over there, it's open. Water is just, all that dirt is just going out. And I'm still using my small 125-gallon water tank that is full of clean water, and that's what I'm using to clean this out. But this thing is a mess. You know, probably about every 3 months or so, I have to do this. But I'm gonna show you guys a solution to this on a future video. All right, I'm out. Check this out, guys. So, like I said, that valve is open on the tank. Look at all that. You can obviously see all the slime right there versus the grass. So, like I said, I just have it draining. But look how much of that came out on its own, just by me opening up that valve. Like I said, it takes a little bit of time, not long, but you got to keep those tanks clean. You know, you got filters in there. Once the filters get clogged, you guys know the machine doesn't want to pump anymore. Guys, these are my filters. Now you guys know if these things get dirty, your machine does not want to pump. It's going to struggle. Pulsates, it feels like a machine gun. Keep these things clean. All right? You got to keep these things clean. All right, guys, this is the end result. I'm actually parked under a tree, so a couple leaves fell in, but it's all good. Big difference, ain't it? All right, so that's this tank, and like I said, my tanks are 925 gallon tanks. Let me show you guys this one. The other one. And you can also use I've done it before, I used a sludge sucker to, you know, get all the trash out of there. It does pretty good, but either way, whether you use the sludge sucker or just let it drain the way I did, you're not going to get all of it out, but you know, this is a big difference. The sludge sucker actually works a little bit, I mean, because it vacuums all the loose trash out of there. But look at all that along the walls. Yeah, we're clean. So this is just the advantage of having, if you have multiple tanks and you do not have them plumb together, have them plumb independent. That way you can pull from one tank and you're not taking the water from the tank that you're trying to clean out. All right, so that's the way I do it that way. But anyway, guys, I'm out. Until next time.